All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to connect this remote control to the brain or your robot. So right now, if you look at the brain on the top right of your screen, on the brain, on the control, you will see that there's nothing linked to that, right? What you're going to do now is turn on your robot. And if you look at the light on the radio, you'll see it's going to be a solid light right here. What you're going to do first is get a cable, connect to any port on the brain, and then the other end connect to the controller. Or you can do what I'm doing is just to unplug one of the motor, take that end, plug it into the controller, and let me move this to you so you can see it. If you look at it now, and I'm sorry about the light, right on the top right of the screen on your controller, you will see that they have a connection, right? When that is done, all you have to do is just remove it, and then you can see that the radio is start blinking. Okay, it is slow in the video, but it's actually blinking really fast. All right, so there you go. Now you can use this to control your robot. But let me go ahead and move the robot back a little bit. So to use your program in here, what you're going to do first is use the arrow key here to go to program. So go to the right. Once you are in there, you're going to hit A to select your program. And then you're going to choose whatever program you have. Right now, I only have one program, so you're going to just use that one. So hit A to select it. And then you have options here. If you hit run, if you hit A one more time, it's just going to run. And if you move the arrow to the right, then it's going to tell you how long you've been running that, so you can see it. And the second and the last thing is, if you hit the competition, it's going to give you 1 minute exactly. And then after that 1 minute, it's automatically shut you down. It's just going to lock the remote control, so you cannot use it anymore. All right. So right now, we're just going to go ahead and go to run to show you guys. So hit A. And then if I control it. So right now, my control back and forth are opposite, but you guys can see that. All right. One more thing I want to make sure that we will look at is the percentage on your control. So if you have something about 30%, make sure you charge them for me and replace it with a different one. All right. So that video is done. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here, and hopefully this helped